In attending trainings and seminars, we ought to follow some norms and house rules. We still remember the norms. We use the letters in the acronym NEA. Can you guess why we choose the icon for its letter word? First is narito. The gift icon represents you. As our partners in this activity, please know that you are a gift to the Fed. Our task, if you may, is that you also give us your time and attention, that you be physically and mentally present during the sessions. Ejemplo. The atomic model for the word ejemplo is inspired by the word model. The model is to exemplify ejemplo, the desirable behaviors of a participant. What's the genetic makeup of a participant that you would facilitate? Please model those behaviors. Ang bag. The bag icon represents the things you can contribute. Things that you're willing to bring out of your bag. To make this activity successful, ang bag could be in the form of active participation, well-meaning questions, reflective insights, and respect for each other. The bag also represents the knowledge, skills, experiences that you would bring home and use as you make ambag in your workplace. Pag-ibig. The house icon is there to remind you of your pag-ibig housing loan balance. Just kidding. But seriously, it represents our families, the teachers, school leaders in those school buildings. We do what we do for our love for those who's inside those structures. But that pag-ibig housing loan icon is also a reminder that we owe it to ourselves to give ourselves the love that we selflessly give to others, because one can't pour from an empty cup. So these are the house rules that everyone is expected to follow. Number 1, let us come on time or much better earlier. We don't want you missing out on important learning experiences. Number 2, let's use our gadgets during breaks. As much as possible, turn off your gadgets or put them on silent mode when not needed. If it is an emergency, call or take the call outside. Number 3, let's treat all with respect and dignity, regardless of their age, race, gender, language, religion, opinions, ethnicity, social origins, disability, or other status. Number 4, let's respect everyone's privacy and viewpoint. If you disagree, do so politely. Let's not ask private questions or pressures others in discussing things they are uncomfortable with. Make sure that even when there is disagreement, people are still respected of each other. Number 5, let's practice Clego. Clean as you go. Keep your learning area clean. Number 6, let's remember to breathe. Take mental and physical health breaks during our breaks. Breath, stretch, eat, and drink mindfully. Are you agreeing to these norms? Do you want something to add? Thank you very much. Let's enjoy the training, the workshop, and our seminars. Mabuhay!